What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. Today's adventure, we are at Bushkill Falls in PA, Pocono Mountains. So this is actually a privately owned place. It's not a state park, and it's called the Niagara Falls of Pennsylvania. So there you go. They got a couple of different waterfalls here. Mission today is we're going to be hitting this area right around here, and then we want to hit these. We're right here right now, so Lover's Nook and all that. They got a couple different areas that you can hike. So they got the Main Falls Trail, the Bridal Veil Trail, the Popular Route, and Panel Falls, and they're different skill levels. So if you want to walk 5 minutes, you can go to the main one and different things. We're here on a Tuesday, so during the week it's $17. On the weekend it's $20. It's more on the weekend. Get it while you can. Hiking trails information. Trails are not paved, steep in areas, rocks. Protect the ecosystem. No outside food, coolers, towels, blankets, radio, fishing poles, drones, that type stuff. Carry out what you carry in. No swimming, wading, and smoking are prohibited. So don't do it. They'll just make it pleasant for everybody. And no refunds on the tickets. So when you come in to the main area, they got this kind of general store thing right there. They got all kinds of souvenirs and stuff. Restrooms, an outfitter with clothing. There's a sweet shop over that way. They got a Indian museum, right? You got that. And the entrance is right here. And they actually have turnstiles for the exit. I thought that was kind of cool. And there's a nice little seating area and plenty of parking. Bring some bug spray. Because as soon as I got out of the car, they were on me. So this is what we're going to be doing today. Take some pictures. Enjoy the nature. All right. Let's have an adventure. Oh, goodness. I've already done my research. And here we go with the entrance. Ticket holders over that way. Purchase tickets. So with ticket holders, no entry with confirmation number, must show barcode to download the tickets. It's actually Wi-Fi. That's kind of odd. All right. Ticket holders. Where did she go? All right. So we need a map. We need to purchase a map. The official trail map. I didn't purchase. Are you going to buy the map?
Hi.
All right. I didn't buy the map.
You guys have tickets already?
Yes.
We do get one of these for free. If that matters.
Is that the one where you can get the check marks on it? And it does
No,
the guide?
that's the official one.
Yeah, I want the official one.
Pay $3.
Okay.
Can we get 2 of them, please?
Well, we need 2.
Because I want my own. Please. And thank you.
How is it?
Oh, look at their tickets. They're pretty.
They probably got waterfalls on them or something.
Yeah.
Hey, right through the building, you'll get your ticket scanned in the back.
Any bear sightings today?
Not that I've heard of.
Okay.
Raining, so they're probably out somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Because it was raining, so they, dealing with wet fur.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, here we go. Check out this display. We might see some of these. You know what? Where was I? We were just someplace. Oh, we were home, and I came out in the morning, and I smelled the skunk, and I was like, oh, it's that time of the year already? thought they might have some kind of sound effects. Oh, he's just asking for trouble. Is that a honey badger? That's probably a honey badger. Look at him, he's getting ready to hit it. About to be in for a world of hurt, buddy. And look at them, they're looking over at him like, don't do it, Bob. Don't do it. The rabbit's pleading with other people. What happened to his other ear? Somebody chewed off the rabbit's other ear. Ooh, well, I guess that's who chewed it off. Look, it's Cocaine Bear. There's a real bison. Bison. This is a fine specimen, is an exhibit in tribute to Dr. Claude Lester, founder and operator of the Pocono Wild Animal Farm, one of the area's outstanding attractions from 1946 to 1979. This bison established a record by living to be the very young age of 32. And it was enjoyed by thousands of people during its lifetime. And probably afterwards, because I heard bison's really tasty. But I digress. Several hundred years ago, the elk, wolf, coyote, bison roamed the fields and woods of Pennsylvania. These mammals are now extinct throughout most of the eastern United States due to excessive killing, lack of suitable habitats, and loss of food supplies. They got starved out and no homes.
Hi.
Rent's too damn high. There we go.
Thank you.
Uno and dos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's a map for you.
Okay.
Just
you.
so you know, it is going to be very slippery down through there, so please be careful.
Okay.
All right.
All right. All right. And see, once again, please, no coolers, food, radios, strollers. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. And we are in the park. We're gonna go down to the left. Entrance to Falls. So it's actually kind of nice. Good scenery. You're being cautioned. You are beginning a mountainside trail. Those visitors with health issues or heart conditions are recommended to use the green trail only. Please stay on the designated trail at all times. Do not enter the water and refrain from smoking. No smoking. Smoking. No smoking a pancake. I can hear them. $300 fine. All persons are warned against picking flowers, rhododendron, moses. Don't pick anything. Leave it. If you ain't come in with it, just leave it. Basically. Keep it simple. Recycle brochures. See that right there? Recycle brochures. Carry out what you carried in. See? I tell you, I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of happy today about this, especially the weather, because if it were 80 degrees outside right now, then on this hike, it would be taxing. But it's probably about 70 something. Got a nice little overcast. And Only thing, I mean, you gotta really look out for the slipperiness, but it's not too bad. So here's another map. They got maps all over the place. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna take the yellow down here, over this way, 7, then jump across there, and up somewhere around there. All right, and then double back. Maybe go up that far. I don't know. Then come back this way, here, and then here. So that's the plan. There's the board right there. It tells you all the different things. And you get a shot from the top. I mean, part of me was thinking wear the helmet with the camera on it. That might have been a good idea. But then again, it makes it harder to do this shot right here. Actually seeing if the audio comes through. So as far as this, I would say, all right, so here's a little tip. So these are the markers. So you don't get lost. Those are markers. You'll periodically see them on the tree, so don't get all freaked out if you don't know which way you're going. That's why they have it color coded. This is in history for being like, they charge for it because you got all these railing and everything. So we're gonna go over to this one. Now the water is that color because we just had some heavy rain. So it's not that the water's dirty, it's that it's just churning up everything from the top. So that's gonna probably be the shot down there. That looks like that's the one. You as well. All right, so, let me catch my breath. We just finished it. We did the main fall. I'll stop and taking pictures. Getting down there is easy. Getting back up is definitely some hiking. There's steps and everything, but it's some good hiking. So one of the things is, as far as this right here, no re-entry, no refunds. So once you leave, that's it, unless you want to pay again. So you can't take water in, carry out what you carry in. Please don't trash the park. Enjoy the views, take your time, make sure you stay hydrated. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon. Oh, hey, do me a favor, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed and it's your first time here or whatever, right? Really do appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. And I'll see you all soon. good that that's as far as we went.
Yeah.
Although I don't remember this part.
No, we were going the wrong way.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
We were down the other end.
Oh, Lover's Milk.
Yeah, there was a little bench a little heart.
Oh, I saw that one.
Yeah,
Did you take a picture of it?
no, because flowers was taken back.
Well, maybe next time.
Yeah, it's a lot of
I told you it was going to be a lot of walking.